All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to show you how to use the receive inbound order process via the Android or iOS app. You're going to start out, you're going to load up the application on your tablet or phone, and you're going to click receive inbound orders. This is going to open up the inbound orders list view. So you have different options where you could filter by different statuses, different warehouses, customers, etc. But by default, newest orders are in at the top, and you could also do, sorting, etc. Now, one of the things to know at the top right, you have a gear icon. That's your settings where you'll be able to set up default options. So in this case, I'm setting up my default printer is this 4x8 printer here, or I could do the 4x8 office container ID labels, the 4x8, but you have different options you'll be able to choose from. Now, from a scale standpoint, it can auto pull the scale for this particular zone. In this case, we're using a Fairbanks scale. And then you have the option to auto print, which is recommended. So as you receive in a product from the inbound order screen, it's going to auto print, auto capture the scale weight. So it's a very efficient process. So in this case, we're going to start up, we're going to choose order 3891, the DEA Electronics. You're going to click it. You can see we have not started receiving anything. So it says no items added. You'll hit the button that says start receive order. And this is going to give you a view of all the different commodities in the system. Now, in this case, our view isn't really restricted from the contract. So we have full visibility into the full master commodity list. So in this case, you have different options. You have all. You could click quick view, which shows you the most recently received items, which, mixed electronics is very common. But in this case, we're receiving in power supplies. So if that's the case, I'm going to hit search by name, and then we're going to type in power supplies. So over here, we select power supplies. It auto pulled the weight of 10.2. This is a very small box. It's 2.36. So I'll just bring it in as 2 pounds. Our count, if you want to choose a count, you can. We'll choose it's a box. And if you have a location to place it in, put in a location and put it in review or a different option. Once I hit accept, it's going to get received into the system with an ID. If you want to print an additional label, something didn't print, you can. Otherwise, you could go to more where you can hit edit, view pictures, etc. In this case, we're going to hit take photo. And this is going to allow us to take a picture of this product. So we hit take picture, hit OK. You can take one or more pictures. Now, once you're ready, you're going to hit the tab over or just slide to the right. Now we're going to receive in the next item, which is going to be steel. So I'm going to do a search by name. I'm going to start typing in steel. And I see we have steel. We're going to place everything on the scale. I'm going to hit steel. It's going to pull back the weight. We have 36.9. This weight is about a 3-pound tear. Packaging, we're going to say it's a box, and we'll place it in this location. And, we have a default whip option, which I'm going to actually take a picture right from the screen, and you can see how it operates. Hit OK, hit accept. Now, the label is going to auto print, and, if you have other items, like the next item we're going to receive is circuit boards. So we'll slide right. I'm going to do a search by name, and in your system, you might have different names. In this case, we have a lot of different options of circuit boards, but I'm going to choose circuit board finger cards. We pull the weight. I'll type in the tear, choose the packaging as a box, location, and we'll do review. Take a picture. Now, you can get close, choose a photo like this. And then you're going to hit OK, and then we'll hit accept, and that's going to auto print that label. Once you're ready to go, you just hit close order, and that's going to close the order. And at the top right, you can hit the menu icon and hit back to main menu. So that's how you receive in an order and close out the order via the Android iOS application.